Hey everybody, sorry about that. I wasn't well prepared for this live this evening, and my phone died, so I apologize for that. And learning experience.
Oh, you paused.
And there we go. Y'all, I'm sorry, I'm not coordinated this evening, and we are trying to get this thing done. I apologize for the phone going dead. I'm sorry. I hope you guys can come back and join us. Hey, Brandon, my phone went dead. Next time I'll be better prepared. I meant to have it plugged up, but I didn't. So, and my laptop wouldn't work this evening with hotspot. So, it's just been one of those days.
Yep.
So,
and what we are planning on doing, can I say it?
Absolutely.
Is we are planning on doing a every other week when I'm with my dad.
Go ahead and talk.
On Thursday, I'm going to my mom's. So she'll pick me up or something like that.
Every other Thursday.
And that's every other Thursday. And we'll do a live together, creating something of some sort.
Yeah. Let me get back over here.
So.
Yeah, it's going. It's really looking pretty. She's putting Mod Podge on it now to give it the shine. It also protects it, like if it's hanging on a door and it's in the weather, it will protect the wood. And
I don't like I was doing that.
It'll dry. You won't see any of that.
Okay.
It'll dry away. Mod Podge is a good product to use on wood. So I'm sorry we lost everyone. Hopefully the next aired, won't we?
English was watching.
This was a spur of the moment situation. So maybe next time we'll be better set up.
Because we're going to do it every other Thursday.
Yeah.
Hi. So we're doing one every other Thursday.
You don't need much more on that, honey.
Okay.
And it'll dry pretty quick.
Yeah, we're doing one every other Thursday of me and her. For the person who has just joined us, Debbie.